Picture this. A house that floats, built to resist floods and withstand harsh weather conditions. A marvel of modern innovation, perfect for the riverine areas of Bangladesh. Imagine a home that rises with the water level, never succumbing to the floods. Using local, sustainable materials, these floating houses are not just practical, they're eco-friendly too. Now brace yourself for this. They're not just concepts. They're real, they're here, and they're changing lives. Floating houses, folks, a testament to human ingenuity, turning the tide against climate change, one innovative solution at a time. So the next time the heavens open up, remember, some houses don't just weather the storm, they float above it. Stay tuned for more intriguing ideas in our next short